Next job up is this brand new scrap trailer for Knight's Haulage. We've just received it from where our trailers are made, and it's been sent to us all blue. Knight's Haulage have their front end and the back doors painted in white. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start taking these stickers off, the reflective tape. I'm going to get it all 320 down with the DA just so it's nice and fine and flat. If I just walk down to the front quickly, what I'm going to do with the front is it's got this galv gantry on. I'm going to bring the forklift in, drop the forks underneath, undo the bolts, take that away, just because it'll be an absolute nightmare to mask up if not. And then I'm going to do the same. I'm going to 320 it down with the DA, get it all bagged up, bag over the chassis. I'm going to paint it. I'm going to prime it first with 350 primer, Sickens, and then I'm going to top coat it in Knight's Haulage's white. So let's get it. Okay, so that's the main bulk of the back doors actually prepped and sanded down with the sander, or DA, whichever you prefer. It's lovely and smooth now. Just for the rest of it, around the hinges and just up the bars on the doors, I'm just going to use a red Scotch-Brite just to key them over. I'm not going to do this piece yet, just because I've just got the, I've just printed off the drawings for where the lines actually come to. And it just comes up the far edge here, then round the actual brackets. So what I'll do is I'll go onto the front now, where I'll scotch these pieces up, then I'll move over to the front, I'll wipe it down and clean it off. I'll put the lining tape down this edge and around the hinge brackets, and then I'll scotch up to the lines. So yeah, for now I'm going to get on with scotching these bits, then we'll get over to the front, take the walkway off the front, and then we'll start prepping that down as well. Okay, so the prepping's 99% finished on the front and back. And what I'm going to do now, which you'll see, I'm going to go from the top to the bottom with lining tape first, pull it all the way down nice and tight and stick it down. I haven't prepped all the way onto the corners yet. And then after when the lining tape's on, we'll get the 1-inch tape also and do the same thing. And then we'll go back up after with the Scotch-Brite and scotch it all the way up to the lining tape on the corner. And then when we pull the lining tape off after it's painted, we'll get a nice crisp edge all the way down. So that's what we're going to crack on with now. And then we'll start bagging all the sides out from top to bottom and getting it all papered around. That's next. Okay, so that's this side lined up and masked now, as you can see. Nice tight edges straight up, round the hinges. That's the back end's finished. I've bagged along. I'm probably gonna have to put a piece of paper just along here, just in case any goes under, just to make sure it's sealed off. The front end's lined up as well. Lined up and taped, straight line all the way to the top. I've got the ram to mask. Probably end up just 4 foot paper around here to block that in. And then same again on this side, line up, bag the side, paper along the bottom. And then line up the same again around these hinges and up the back end. I've got the Coulson badge that's been welded onto the back doors. That needs to be masked out as well. And I'll probably end up putting a piece of 4 foot paper around the back. And there's a few little bits actually inside the trailer that are just gonna need a bit of bagging, chucking over them as well. So yeah, let's get up to the other side.
Groups that we're dealing with now.
Okay, so the front and back are fully prepped. The sides are all lined out and bagged off and sealed up. I've been up all 4 edges with a Scotch-Brite to make sure they're keyed in, so it leaves me a nice crisp edge when I demask it. I've been all around the front and back with a blower in the end of the airline to blow all the loose dust off. And I've also just been over it twice with a tack rag to make sure there's no dust left on the surfaces. Now, when I come back in the morning, it's time to start painting. I'm going to start on the back end first. You'll see me putting the 350 seconds primer on the back. Then I'm going to go to the front. You'll see me putting the first coat of white on that. And then I'm going to finish off back again at the back end. And you'll see me putting the final coat of white on. Then after that, it's time to get it demasked and get it out. And you'll be able to see it all in all its glory outside, nice and shiny, ready for the customer to come and put his decals on it. And that'll be the end of this one. So it's time for some paint. Okay guys, so that's this one all finished now, all painted and demasked and out the booth. All the lines are looking lovely and crisp on all four corners of the trailer. As you can see, the back end's come out with an absolutely stunning finish. This Sickens 350 primer and the top coat does an amazing job on it. It doesn't matter what you're painting, the finish is always beautiful. And now if we just come over to the front, exactly the same, all the gantries back on, beautiful finish on the front as well. So yeah, that's the end of this one for Knight's Haulage. Got to have the decals put on now. If you'd like to see more, drop me a like and subscribe.